Yeah, Detroit, what up? New News, what up? I'ma show how my squad get down. I'm ripping off limbs and feeding off fit. My appetite is a risk. I'm snacking on ribs while news is passing a fifth. 6 of this stick, sicker than 6 inch flesh I'm ripping. Cannibalism is the mission. When you pass the limits, I'm flipping. Better be quiet when I'm on the riot. My senses go on autopilot. I'm ripping off eyelids, drag you to my private island. Gruesome violence, watch you bleed out to silence. Choke your corpse until it's lifeless, and have your whole family watch the climax. Send your body parts in the box to your mama's prizes. Feed your uncle, your ashes let Paul bury the casket. Bandits is useless, pliers leave them toothless. I'm the sickest chicken, not the coop with news is too ruthless. Making sudden movements will leave you doomed truthfully. Tear right through you like loosely. Don't be around when I start the mood swing. You're a dread when it locks. Tootsie, Tootsie, Tootsie.
I'm a sick, sadistic son of a bitch. Sick, sick, sick. I'm a sick, sadistic son of a bitch. Sick, sick, sick. I'm a sick, sadistic son of a bitch. Sick, sick, sick. Got acidic rhymes and twat in a twisted limerick. I'm a sick, sadistic son of a bitch. Sick, sick, sick. I'm a sick, sadistic son of a bitch. Sick, sick, sick. I'm a sick, sadistic son of a bitch. Sick, sick, sick. Got acidic rhymes and twat in a twisted limerick.
Newsy, coming with the flow out of this world, see you at your funeral. All alone, fire coming out my rhymes like a hip-hop demon was living in my mind. I'll always be fine, cause I know who I am. I'm the man killing beats like genocide. It's ride or die, I'd rather fly. Shitting on these rappers like a pigeon in the sky. Like I've been never die, I'll be living forever. I am music and my music's better. You stuck on the ground when I'm yelling, get up. The fake hip-hop has got me fed up. Let's talk about some real shit, like how I'm gonna take you motherfuckers down. I'll take all these talentless rap artists, use their blood to paint the town. I'll slaughter fathers, mothers, daughters, children coming out the party screaming he's a psycho. Execution takes all night, ho. Dedicated to decapitation, castration before masturbation. I'm crazy if you ask the ladies, go anal in Asian persuasion. Tell judges to dismiss the cases or I'll have to kill them in my basement. Got a shed full of tools for removing faces. Have people walking around faceless. I'm shameless, I'm also hungry. Better go kidnap famous Amos. He better make me those amazing cookies or I'll fuck his wife that's famous.
I'm a sick, sadistic son of a bitch. Sick, sick, sick. I'm a sick, sadistic son of a bitch. Sick, sick, sick. I'm a sick, sadistic son of a bitch. Sick, sick, sick. Got acidic rhymes entwined in a twisted limerick. I'm a sick, sadistic son of a bitch. Sick, sick, sick. I'm a sick, sadistic son of a bitch. Sick, sick, sick. I'm a sick, sadistic son of a bitch. Sick, sick, sick. Got acidic rhymes entwined in a twisted limerick.
Yeah. Remix. Yo, shout out Jigs. Killing that first verse, doing work. Newsy. Out.